Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add blur screen in InShot. So if you want to add blur screen in InShot, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So for you to be able to add your blur screen, just to hide a very informative information on the content you're trying to edit, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So if you want to do that, just tap on this T icon, which is the test icon. Tap on it, then tap on this icon right here, which is detail. Just tap on it, then right here you can select the type of blur effect that you want. So you just tap on this blur, then on the screen right here, just use this icon right here to extend the effectiveness of the blur. You can see there, and you can also use this part to increase and expand it just to cover the part of the video you want it to cover. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.